What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to report infringement. These people that are copying your designs from Pixel and just uploading them. I'll show you guys how to get these guys off the platform. Show you how to get those posts removed. So let's get straight into it. Make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. And make sure you guys hit that sub button, man, and help the channel to keep growing. So let's get straight into it. So you could just type on Google report infringement. There's other ways to get to this page. I'm going to just show you guys this way so you guys just know. So you just type in report infringement. You don't even have to put Amazon because it's such a problem that it's the first one that pops up when you put report infringement. So you just sit here and you click this and this will pop up. So first thing first, you guys put the rights owner, you click the rights owner, and then you click copyright concerns. Unless you already paid for a trademark, then you would click the trademark one, but most of us has it. So let's go with this one. And then for the concern, you can really do 1 through 3. These all work, but I usually like to do this second one. So the product or its packaging is pirated, wholesale copying of the copyrighted product or packaging. So I click that second one. Name of brand. So on the name of brand, you would type in your name of the brand of whatever they're copying. So let's say for an example, so right here, so if this is your shirt right here, which is not, you would type in name of your brand would be Peanuts, right? So you would put that right there, not what they've put, but what you've put for that one. So, and then it says a description of the copyrighted work. I never use that. You don't have to use this if you're gonna use the link to it. So basically, I just put the link to my work. So I would go right here on Amazon. If this was my shirt right here, I would click it, and then I would copy this URL right here. So you can copy the URL right there to your shirt, and you would put it right here. So you copy and paste that. So if you use the link, you can skip the description, right? So I just copy and paste that there. The copyright registration number, you don't have to do that, right? And then when it says have you bought this item, you put no, because of course we're not buying nothing from nobody stealing from us. So you would click no. And then additional information, just keep in mind that Amazon is like ran by bots most of the time, and they never really read this, so you don't have to go too crazy in this. You could just say this person has copied my design pixel from pixel and I would like it removed from Amazon. That's what I type every single time. And then right here, when it goes to the ASIN, so basically you would go on here, right? So let's say this is the person that stole your design, right? So you want to go to the person that stole your design, not yours, right? And you would scroll all the way down. If you don't have a Productor, well, if you have Productor, this is the ASIN right here. So you would copy this number right here where it says ASIN, which is the identification number to the actual product. So you would copy this. But if you don't have Productor, you will scroll all the way down to the product details, and it will have the ASIN right here under the manufacturer. So you would copy this right here, Command C on MacBook. You go back here and you will put the ASIN right here. And then when it says scope, choose which one, put ASIN, right? So that's the thing where this identifies who is stealing from you, right? This right here. And then, so this is where it gets tricky and where people are getting confused. So when it says, are you a seller on Amazon? You click no, because we're on Amazon merch. So that means that Amazon is the seller. We just give them our designs, but Amazon is the one selling it. And then after that, it's just just put in all your information. That's it. Just put in all your information. I don't want to go lower because it could have some of my information filled out. But that's all you do. And literally, now I'm getting emails back within 20 minutes of them getting, and they're getting removed. So that's all you guys do, man. So yeah, you guys make sure you smash that motherfucking like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys have any trouble or anything else. I'll definitely make another video, but that's all you do. That's all I do. I do it 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes before I go to sleep, making sure we get these copycats out of here and these people that keep stealing from us and taking from our good hard work. So make sure you guys really watch this video and follow the process, and let's get these motherfuckers off of merch. And yeah, man, till next time.